Today on Cold Email Teardowns, we're talking about outsourcing. Let's dig into the spam box. If you are running any sort of outsourcing or recruiting company, then it's time to check out this email. Who am I? I'm the cold email king. I've overseen millions of dollars in email campaigns. I run an email agency called X27. We've actually dealt with about $100 million in revenue via cold email. So I know a thing or two about what makes a great cold email and what doesn't. If you guys don't know, cold email is pitching your business to people that don't know you. And if you want to grow, it's a superpower. Imagine taking your agency and showing it to people that don't know you. $100 million companies, the Fortune 500, or anybody you can think of, celebrities, etc. Not knowing the right people. They say that success is all about who you know. Well, with cold email, you can make sure that you know the right people. Now, let's jump into it. This video is brought to you by Email 10K. Learn how to book meetings with billion-dollar brands and take your company to the next level at email10k.com. So here's the email that Div received. Div is a member of our team. So he got this email. Subject, X27 hiring remotely. X27 is the name of our agency. We do lead generation for B2B companies. You can check us out at x27marketing.com. X27, hiring remotely. Hi Div, 2-minute video my co-founder just made with an overview of Near. If you have a chance to watch, could you let me know if you think it might be valuable for your team? Thank you, Franco. If you don't want to hear from me again, please let me know. Not a terrible cold email, not the best cold email, but it did end up in spam because you're sending links with no context. That's why. If you want to avoid the spam box, check out our video on how to avoid the spam box. Now, in order to rewrite this email, we have to dig deep. So we want to find out what's the offer, who is the target market, and what is the case study or the benefit. So what is the offer? He's selling something called Near. Let's watch as much of this video as we can handle.
Hi, I'm Hayden, co-founder of Near, and I am coming at you from Near's unofficial headquarters at a co-working space in Austin, Texas. And I want to let you know why.
Curated job board to hire remote Latin American talent. I wouldn't be watching it right now, but I did see this part. So what is the offer? Job board to hire remote Latin American talent. Very specifically Latin American. I would actually talk about the talent side of it more than the country side of it, but okay. I'm not giving feedback on the business model right now. Let's keep going.
Why Near might be a great option for your company if you're currently...
Geez, I can't even listen to this. If you're going to send people videos, try to make them a little more engaging off the bat.
It's a curated job board that helps companies hire amazing talent from Latin America. It's as simple as that. We also, at the same time...
Latin America. I don't give a crap about what he's saying. And you know why? Because he doesn't have the benefits. So for instance, here we go. So the target market, maybe it's agencies. Because there's a couple of target markets that you can do here. One would be agencies that want to outsource work. Could be tech startups that want to outsource work. Or maybe you could say agencies that need more developers. Now we're getting closer to an offer. If you're an agency that needs more developers, it doesn't necessarily matter if they're overseas. Overseas, you're going to get them cheaper, but if they're higher quality or the same quality, then really the price savings doesn't matter, and it's more of a bonus. But let's see. Agencies that need more developers or tech startups that need more developers. Now, I would write for one of these, we're going to go after agencies. Each one of these would require a different cold email. That way you could get more specific. So you want to hire more developers, and the benefit is, so I'll say US time zone, quick work at a lower price. Quick, high quality development work at a lower price. And the best way to show this would be via a case study that shows all of it. So for instance, you would say something like, recently we helped Fuzz outsource 3 development projects to South America on the EST time zone, and got the projects done on time and under budget. Recently, we helped Fuzz, a digital agency in Chicago. Just say that. Recently, we helped a digital agency in Chicago outsource 3 development projects to South America, delivered them on time and under budget. And you might even get more specific and delivered them 2 weeks ahead of schedule and 30% under budget. So now we have more of an idea of what we're selling, and we can go back and rewrite this email. Before I rewrite this cold email, make sure that you hit that like button and subscribe down below. That really helps the channel. If you want to encourage this type of content, highly valuable content like this. And with that being said, let's do the rewrite. You might be asking, would I send a video in a cold email? And the answer is no, and the reason is there's no reason to. You don't need to send videos in your cold emails because this strategy works better. Subject line, quick question. Hi Div, huge fan of company name. I love the work you did on Mesolab. So I'll just call out a specific portfolio item. Recently, we helped a digital agency in Chicago outsource 3 development projects to South America and delivered 2 weeks ahead of schedule and 30% under budget. Would love to handle any overflow work you have. Mind if I send over a few times for a quick call? Thanks. And then I would remove the unsubscribe there. And we're good to go. There's the email. Compliment, case study, call to action. Simple framework for you to write a cold email. Subject, quick question. Hi Div, huge fan of X27. I love the work you did on Mesolab. Recently, we helped a digital agency in Chicago outsource 3 development projects to South America and delivered 2 weeks ahead of schedule and 30% under budget. Would love to handle any overflow work you have. Mind if I send over a few times for a quick call? Thanks, Franco. And there you have it. Another cold email torn down and rebuilt in its superior form. If you want me to take a look at your cold emails, then go ahead and check out Cold Email University. Join that, post in the private community. I would love to read and review your cold email campaigns. If you want to hire X27 to take your business to the next level, then check out x27marketing.com, and I will talk to you soon. Smash that like button, subscribe down below, and I'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching. I'm Alex Berman.